Imagine a war machine engineered to conquer the elements, capable of riding out a hurricane, outrunning silent hunters, and outgunning an enemy fleet. This is the pinnacle of naval engineering, destroyer construction, a symphony of precision and power, culminating in a $2.2 billion masterpiece of maritime dominance. Building a modern destroyer isn't just construction, it's a meticulously planned choreography of immense scale. These versatile escorts are the guardians of the fleet, designed to shield vital convoys from air, surface, and subsurface threats. Before a single piece of steel is cut, the ship is born in the digital realm. A comprehensive digital twin is created, where every plate, weld, and wire is modeled with exacting precision. This virtual prototype allows engineers to run simulations and optimize the entire build sequence, ensuring what works on screen will work on the slipway. Step 1. Plate prep and cutting. Weeks 1 to 4. Guided by the digital twin, the physical work begins. High-definition plasma heads, burning hotter than the sun's surface, slice through immense plates of high-strength steel. The digital model nests parts together like an intricate puzzle to minimize waste. Every cut is perfect, with beveled edges prepared for welding. Each piece is then etched with a unique barcode for full traceability. Next, these flat plates are transformed into three-dimensional shapes. Giant press brakes apply thousands of tons of pressure to create sharp angles, while powerful rollers curve the steel to form the formidable lines of the hull. On the panel line, these individual pieces are joined to form the initial structural assemblies, the first building blocks of the ship's skeleton. Step 2. Block assembly and welding. Weeks 5 to 12. The ship now takes shape in massive multi-deck sections called blocks. Some weighing over 1,000 tons, these house-sized modules are lifted into place with surgical precision. In the assembly halls, robotic welders glide along 60-foot seams, laying down flawless beads of molten metal, while master welders handle the complex tie-ins by hand. Every weld is a critical structural element. A team of inspectors descends, armed with non-destructive testing tools. They use ultrasonic waves and X-rays to hunt for hidden flaws invisible to the naked eye. If a scan reveals even the slightest imperfection, the weld is ground out and welded again. But these blocks are more than empty steel boxes. They are heavily pre-outfitted. Cable trays, equipment foundations, and ventilation ducting are installed now, when access is easy. Initial coats of paint are applied in climate-controlled zones. This modular strategy dramatically accelerates the construction timeline. Step 3. Pipe bending and installation. Weeks 13 to 20. The destroyer's circulatory system is now formed. Miles of copper, nickel, and titanium tubing, chosen for their extreme corrosion resistance, are bent with precision by automated mandrel benders. Each pipe is a custom piece, its path dictated by the digital model. Inside the blocks, installers route these arteries through complex, tightly packed racks. Color codes distinguish systems for fuel, fire suppression, and chilled water. Cleanliness is paramount. A single stray particle can cripple a sensitive system. After installation, every system is subjected to rigorous hydro tests, pressurized to up to twice their normal operating pressure. A leak found here in the yard is a crisis averted in the middle of the ocean. Step 4. Electrical and combat systems installation. Weeks 21 to 28. Now the ship's nervous system is laid in. Hundreds of miles of cable are pulled by teams of electricians. Arm-thick looms carrying immense electrical loads snake through the ship, while specialized EMI wraps shield sensitive runs. Hair-thin fiber optic cables, the conduits for targeting data, are terminated and tested, ensuring data flows at the speed of light. The energization plan is executed in careful stages. One by one, breakers click shut. Power flows. The ship takes its first breath. Simultaneously, the heart of its fighting capability is integrated. The advanced SPY-6 radar arrays, the vertical launch system cells, and the powerful sonar dome are all installed. In secure labs, software teams run simulations, throwing swarms of virtual threats at the combat system, which must detect, track, and engage in milliseconds. Step 5. Propulsion on deck and below. Weeks 29 to 36. The muscle arrives. Two massive LM-T500+ gas turbines, the same engines that power jet aircraft, are carefully lowered into their shock-mounted beds. The long propeller shafts are then aligned to the reduction gears with lasers, achieving a tolerance within a few thousandths of an inch over their entire length. The first light-off is a milestone. Spin tests, vibration analysis, and fuel burn rates are meticulously checked. Efficiency here means greater range on station. Engineers conduct noise surveys to ensure the ship runs as quietly as possible, a critical factor in anti-submarine warfare. Every component is tested to ensure it can deliver the power and speed the crew will one day depend on. Step 6. Outfitting, coatings, and survivability. Weeks 37 to 52. The final phase is a flurry of activity. The ship's exterior receives its advanced coating system, layers designed to prevent marine growth, resist corrosion, and reduce its radar signature. Inside, the focus is on survivability. Watertight doors are tested for a perfect seal, and damage control lockers are fully stocked. The ship is designed to fight hurt, with redundant systems ready for the worst-case scenario. After 4 relentless years and the work of thousands of hands, the moment arrives. Launch day. With cheers and horns, a bottle of champagne shatters against the bow, christening the ship with her name. But the work is far from over. Now begins a grueling series of builders' sea trials. The ship is pushed to its limits. Full power runs, emergency crashback maneuvers, and tight turning circles. The ocean itself signs the final certificate of approval. Finally, after passing inspection, the ship is delivered. A new crew comes aboard, ready to transform this steel vessel into a living warship. Next time, we climb to the flight deck to explore the thunder and finesse of naval aviation. Subscribe for more stories forged in steel. What part of this process amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Your input matters. Share your ideas for our next video in the comments, and we'll recognize your contribution. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating stories behind everyday things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, click the next video right here.